Attorney Jerry Edwin says he will not rest until the penalty of flogging is expunged from the law books. Mr. Edwin, who recently returned to Grenada to continue his legal practice, was appalled upon learning that this archaic law was still being imposed on male juvenile offenders in Grenada. Grenada's Criminal Code Section 75 provides for a sentence of flogging to be imposed with a light rod or cane, which will not exceed 12 strokes. The attorney says it is important to note that female offenders, by law, are not subjugated to this treatment, even with the constitutional guarantee of non-discrimination on the basis of gender under Section 13 of Grenada's Constitution. He is prepared to put forward a motion before the court to end this form of penalty.
And I was astounded to learn that my modern paradise, Grenada, pure Grenada, passes sentences of flogging young, poor, old, poor men, because the law says only men. It's a discriminatory law, but it's aggravated by the fact that it's the poor that suffer this inhumane and barbaric treatment. So we intend to challenge this law in a separate proceeding, and I hope that the political directorate will amend that part of the code that allows for this barbaric treatment.
Edwin says this inhumane form of punishment is only meted out to the poor citizens of Grenada.
If you steal tens of thousands of dollars, you get to pay a fine. If you steal 2 coconuts, you get flogged. There is something very morally repugnant about this. Not just the practice, but the fact that it's meted out so unfairly to the poor. Why not men who commit domestic violence against their wives? Why not embezzlers of money? Instead, it is meted out to the poor. Now, I'm not speaking in defense of flogging.
The attorney's quest to expunge flogging from the books started when it was discovered that the late Kevon Downs, who was shot by police last year, was given a sentence of flogging for allegedly trespassing on the property of another landowner. An inquest into his death has started to determine whether excessive force was used by police. The shooting incident took place at Mount St. Hope St. Mark. Colin Campbell, GBA News.